So I never knew anything about these shoes, and I'm super excited to do the review. I'm gonna tell you how we got them. I'm going to just enjoy this review because it's not my shoe. It's the Hubs. Y'all know how I do. Any shoe that come in this house, I'm gonna review it. And that's on period. Duh. Hey, sweetie fam. Welcome back to my channel. I am Patra.pearson Denise, producer by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, and if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. And the reason why you need to click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop bonus content like all the time. So, you know, you gotta stay in the loop. On this channel, your girl, the head of the sweetie fam, I do content regarding sneakers, fashion, and luxury lifestyle. So this is a place to be for all of that. All of that, okay? And that's on period. Now listen, I think I'm something special, y'all. I didn't watch a couple videos, figure out how to braid my own hair. I mean, it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. I am back with another sneaker review. And I'm actually really excited to do this shoe. It is a blazer. Blazers have, y'all see I have there. I have, let me see. I have another pair down, right. Wait, there you go. Right there. Blazers are definitely a great sneaker. Actually, everyone in my household has blazers. Like, yeah, we don't play about our blazers. When they came into the house and my husband was telling me about it, and I couldn't get the name right. I couldn't get the name, and so, meaning I didn't remember. And so when they actually came, they were delivered, and I saw them and I was like, oh my goodness, those are so dope. Now, my husband did not get these on release. We got them from Trade Block. I will put the video that I did on our first experience with Trade Block here. He traded some dark marina blue Air Jordan High OG 1s for them. We actually had about 3 pair of those, a toddler pair and then 2 men size pair. So one with his size, and then he was able to cop another size. I think one of our nephews, we thought they wanted them, but they didn't. So we traded them. And so, or he traded them. So he traded them for this. And I'm just going to show you the box. Now, this is the box. First and foremost, let's just get right into this box. I definitely love the vintage, kind of the beat up look on the box. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. So let's just take a really good look at the box. And I'm going to flip it over so you can kind of see the bottom. All right, so it's giving traditional, oh, upside down, I'm sorry. Traditional Nike info here on the bottom of the box. Y'all know how that go. This side says notice, no public use. And then it's giving graffiti here, a little graffiti vibe here, and then Nike on the top of the box. Now, this is a brand new pair. It was not used. You know, with Trade Block, you can do so many different things. And my husband went trade for trade. There was no additional money or anything added to the trade. He traded the Air Jordan 1 High OG Dark Marina Blues for this pair. And I think the Dark Marina Blues were in a size 9.5. And he wears an 11. Or the size he buys is 11. So he wears 10.5, 11. Now, I like the box because it's definitely giving streetwear, it's giving vintage, it's giving those things. And so I'm all about that when it comes to fashion and my sneakers. Now let's get into this label. This label says Readymade, okay? And it says the blazer mid, Readymade, white, black, pure platinum, size 11, suggested retail $160. Now, I didn't think blazers, you know, went for that much. However, as you see, I only have 2 pair. So, and also my husband wears a men's size. The 2 pair that I do have are in women. Yeah, they are in women's size. Let me see. Actually, my sesame ones are not in a women's size, but my leopard print ones are. So, because it says W blazer, whatever. Now, we're going to get right into this box. I really love this box, y'all. Oh, okay. Oh. So, when my husband showed me the picture of the shoe, I was like, oh, okay. You know, when I saw it. So, as I told y'all, we got this from Trade Block. This is the Trade Block card. And it just says, you know, use hashtag off the block and your new kicks are here. All right. So this is the way the paper looks. It's definitely giving landfill trash. Not sure of why they chose the landfill decor on the paper. However, I love a good paper that has some type of uniqueness to it, because it just brings out more of what the shoe is trying to say, right? The meaning behind the shoe. Oh, and then it has the regular paper as well. I didn't know that. So I haven't taken these out the box. My husband did not do an unfold for me, y'all, because his schedule is different now. So more landfill paper. Ooh, these are really cute. I'm gonna be honest, these are cuter in person than they were when he showed me. Now, when they showed me, I was like, oh, those are bad. But these are cuter in person, y'all. These are way cuter in person. It's definitely giving a vibe. It's giving, watch me, look at me. Oh, wow. These are beautiful. Honestly. Okay, I'm ready to get right into this review. Let me see. Let's look at that. Look at that. How gorgeous are these shoes? I love when Nike really puts effort into their shoes. Like, I really like it. I really like it. I think that these shoes say so much about the Nike brand. I really do. And just as I'm like showing you guys, like, I have so much to say. So we're going to go through it, you know, bit by bit. Let me show y'all the bottom. All right. So I'm going to put one back. So first and foremost, the thick. So I know blazers have a thick sole, but I love it's giving like piñata. You know how when you cut the strips of the piñata and when they, you know, as they have that white paste on it, it's giving that at the bottom. And that may sound silly, but I like that. I like that they made the sole, the thicker sole, unique compared to the traditional Nike blazers. Let's get into this Nike sign, baby. Look at that. Like, it's not initially attached, this bottom part, to the actual shoe. And I also like that it connects all the way to the other side. So dope. I like the different textures that they have. So here, there is a type of texture, has a bumpy feel. It's kind of giving like luxury washcloth. That's the feeling of it. It's kind of, I actually have a washcloth in my closet that feels like this. And then they're giving like a velour here in this small space. And this is more cream. And then this is actually like a white. And the cream here is replicated throughout the entire sneaker. And that is actually something I like as well. I like what I would call this is the feel, the texture of like your grandmother's couch that she had like back in the day. That's what this is. That's the texture this is giving. And then they have a texture here that color wise and look wise, they're replicating it here at the ankle. This is also a lot higher than the traditional blazers. And then they have 3 loops here. The bottom loop has the part to the Nike sign in it. And then the top loop. They also have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4 different shoe strings in this. And then I did see an orange pair of shoestrings. I'm not sure how that would work. So on this outer section here, as y'all kind of see that kind of pull back, there is 1, 2, there's 4 shoelace holes. And then there's also in the inner, you can kind of see that there's like the regular amount of shoelace holes. So I would actually be a bit confused on how you're supposed to take laces out to put these laces in, but I'm more than sure there's a video on how to lace these sneakers. I'm actually digging the black wraps around the laces on the ends. It definitely gives the sneaker just a little bit more uniqueness, and I love that part. Now, I do wish they would have had this Nike sign, like the red would have been orange. That would have been super dope to just kind of bring out the orange just a little bit more, but they didn't need to bring out the orange much. They have the Readymade logo here on the back with the Nike signs, and obviously this is from like recyclable materials. I love when Nike has those type of collabs, when, you know, the shoes made from recycled material. I have, where they at? Oh, I don't know if y'all can see in that corner, wait, right there. Those are made from recycled material, some of my most comfortable shoes, and actually really, really stylish for the summertime. It's actually given the almost the exact same texture here as it is on those shoes that are made from recyclable materials. I'm all for recyclable materials and creating something new, right? That's what creators do. You make something new. And so that's one of the things I love about the shoe. I also love the colorway. I like the neutral colors, and with the pop of orange, right? Like I told y'all how I feel about that. We're going to look in the inside. So the inside is nothing major. It's given just a regular insole, right? Nothing too major. I love the look. I love the look. I like the side panels and the texture with this recyclable. You can tell that like it's recyclable here. And let's not forget the sole, baby. This is everything. I know this is the bottom of the shoe. It's the part you walk on. But this is everything. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the shoe. And I love how in each area of the shoe it's not the same, but it's just advancing another part of the shoe, which kind of just brings it all of the. So you got the kind of specks of the recyclable material here. You have on the toe, recyclable material here. You have the recyclable material here going all the way around, right? You also have it in there, if you guys can see that there. Like, this is definitely super dope. I love the way this looks. I love the way, you know, how they got these shoestrings in here. I love a good unique shoe in general, and this is something I would wear down in the spring and the summer. Okay, so if you can cop this or have copped this, definitely comment down below. I love this shoe. This was a great trade. I'm just gonna be honest with you, y'all. This was a great trade. I got another review coming, and it's all me, baby. It's all me, so I can't wait. But y'all, comment down below what y'all think about the Readymade blazer collab with the made from the recycled materials. I already told y'all how I feel. Those joints is dope. Okay, they're dope, and that's on period. If you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. So that's why you need to click the bell, because I do drop content on a regular basis as well. I drop bonus content, so you need to be notified, stay in the loop. On this channel, I talk about sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion. This is a place to be for all of that, okay? Y'all know I style the everyday girl to be fly. And that's on period, right? So y'all, I am Patra.pearson Denise, and y'all be sweet.